Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make dark red paint. Creating a deep, rich red hue is simpler than you might think, and it adds a wonderful sense of drama and sophistication to any artistic endeavor or home project. The key is understanding which colors to combine with your base red and how to adjust the ratios carefully. We will explore the essential steps to achieve your desired dark red, ensuring a beautiful and impactful result. To start, you will need a good quality primary red paint. This serves as your foundation. The most straightforward way to darken red is by introducing black paint. However, for more nuanced dark red, consider adding a small amount of dark blue or green. Blue will give your red a cooler, more crimson-like depth, while green can create an earthier, muted dark red. Remember, these are potent colors, so always add them in very small increments. When adding black, a good starting point is 1 part black to 30 parts red. For blue or green, begin with an even smaller amount, perhaps a tiny drop, as these colors can quickly shift your red. Mix your paint thoroughly after each addition, ensuring the color is uniform. Always test your mixture on a scrap piece of paper or canvas. This allows you to see the true color once it dries and make further adjustments as needed, preventing any surprises on your final piece. To achieve specific dark red variations, consider adding a touch of brown for a muted, earthy tone. If you want a deep, rich dark red without any purple undertones, try mixing a small amount of ultramarine blue with burnt umber into your red base. The possibilities are vast, so do not be afraid to experiment. With patience and careful mixing, you can create a unique and perfect dark red that truly enhances your project.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.